In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11, and let me show you how to adjust colors on this device. So if you'd like to switch color mode on this device, just open the settings, then reach System, and here you can see developer options. However, if they are not here, you just have to unlock them. To do it, take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer mode, and then open developer panel. Now you need to scroll down. And here you will notice, okay, so I just lost it. Let me look carefully one more time. Okay, so here you've got simulate color space. This is the one that you need to pick, and here just select the color palette that you would like to apply. And for example, if you want to have the monochrome, just pick Monochromacy, and as you can see, the whole device is in black and white. Then let's go back to developer options and look for it one more time. Hopefully it will be a bit faster than previously. Here it is, so just pick it. Then you can pick any other color table that you want to apply. As you can see, the colors are changing even here where we've got just two colors included. Then just click on disabled to go back to default setup. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.